Welcome to this instructional video for Googlers. In this video, we will outline the rules and regulations as they relate to the transport of dangerous goods, or hazmat as they are also known. Our primary focus will be on the shipping of lithium chemistry batteries. By formal definition, dangerous goods are articles or substances which are capable of posing a risk to health, safety, property, or to the environment, and which are shown in the list of dangerous goods in the ICAO technical instructions. The carriage of dangerous goods, or hazmat, is controlled internationally by the UN-derived model regulations. Each mode of transport then adapts these rules, focusing on mode-specific requirements. When shipping by sea, one must reference the IMDG code. For road, the UN ADR or 49 CFR for highway must be used, and for air transport the ICAO technical instructions or the IATA dangerous goods regulations. The focus of this instructional video will be the carriage of dangerous goods by air. Training is an essential element in maintaining a safe regulatory regime. Dangerous goods training is a mandatory legal requirement for all personnel involved in the preparation or transport of dangerous goods by air, commensurate with their responsibilities, to ensure that they are able to carry out their responsibilities. Depending on the job function, this may entail only familiarization training or may also include more detailed training in the intricacies of the regulations. Prior to handing over any package containing dangerous goods, one must also refer to the particular state and operator variations contained within the regulations. What are the classes of dangerous goods? Each class or division has specific criteria that are used to determine whether an article or substance belongs to that class or division. These criteria are technically detailed, and classification of an item requires specialist knowledge of the criteria defining the class. Passengers should be aware that only certain dangerous goods may be carried aboard as carry-on baggage. Forbidden dangerous goods. Substances or articles which, as presented for transport, are liable to explode, dangerously react, produce a flame, or dangerous evolution of heat or dangerous emission of toxic, corrosive or flammable gases or vapours under conditions normally encountered in transport, must not be carried on aircraft under any circumstance. What is the difference between a cell and a battery? A cell comprises of a single encased electrochemical unit with one positive and one negative electrode, which exhibits a voltage differential across its two terminals. A battery is defined as two or more cells which are electrically connected together and fitted with devices necessary for use, for example, a casing, the battery terminals, marking and protective devices. Regardless of their type, lithium-ion, lithium polymer and lithium metal batteries must all undergo a strict testing regime prior to placing on the market. In this short clip, you can see for yourself the effects of thermal runaway within a battery. Exceptions. Small lithium batteries, when contained in equipment, or lithium-ion batteries with lower power ratings can be safely shipped by both passenger and cargo aircraft. However, from January 1st, 2015, ICAO proposed to ban the carriage of all lithium metal batteries when packed on their own by passenger carrying aircraft. Spare batteries may not be placed in checked baggage. The terminals of all spare batteries must be protected from short circuit by enclosing them in their original retail packaging, taping over the terminals, or separating them in a plastic bag. Remember, Spare batteries may not be placed in checked baggage. If you have packed batteries into your checked baggage, please bring this to the attention of the gate or check-in attendant so that steps can be taken to remove the article. There have been occasions where incidents involving lithium batteries have occurred within the passenger cabin. Prompt action by cabin and flight crew have averted potential disasters from occurring. For cells and batteries with a higher rating, that is, lithium-ion cells exceeding 20 watt-hours, lithium-ion batteries exceeding 100 watt-hours, lithium metal cells with a lithium content exceeding 1 gram, lithium metal batteries with an aggregate lithium content exceeding 2 grams, packages must be of UN specification and bear a Class 9 label. We have introduced the inherent risks with shipping lithium-ion batteries by air transport. In the next section, we will cover the specifics as they relate to the packaging of Nexus, Chromebook, and Trekker batteries.